This video shows how to make a chili mango blood orange soda and a chili mango blood orange gelee. To make chili mango blood orange soda syrup, peel and chop a fresh mango about 200 grams and add it to a food saver or Ziploc style bag with a seeded and chopped jalapeno pepper, about 10 grams, but if you want the soda to have a spicier kick, add the seeds too. Then use a sharp vegetable peeler to remove most of the outer peel or the zest from a blood orange and add it to the bag with the juice and 75 grams demerara sugar. Seal the bag and cook the juice into a syrup using a water bath heated to 85 degrees Celsius or 185 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Then transfer to an ice bath to cool and store the sealed bag in the refrigerator overnight to allow the mango, orange, and jalapeno flavors to develop together. Then strain the syrup through a fine mesh sieve and measure an ounce or a 30 milliliter shot of syrup and pour it over the ice with about 90 milliliters of soda water, which is a 3-to-1 soda water to syrup ratio, or to taste. Store it in the refrigerator. The syrup will keep for about a week. To make a gelee from the syrup, first bloom a sheet of gelatin in a bowl of cold water. Then measure 30 milliliters of syrup or a 1-ounce shot into a 4-ounce mason jar and place it in a shallow pot with water hot enough to melt the gelatin. Then add boiling hot water over the syrup to just below the rim, and when the gelatin is soft, squeeze out the excess water and mix it into the syrup until the gelatin is dissolved, which is when the mixture reaches a temperature of about 50 degrees Celsius or 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Then transfer the jar to the refrigerator to set the gelatin for at least 2 hours, but longer is better. To unmold the gelee, place the jar in hot water for about 30 seconds, then invert the gelee onto a plate to release it. The gelee is fun eaten directly out of the jar, but for a plated presentation it offers a greater depth of flavors, topped with cantaloupe, watermelon, and pineapple molasses.